The slump test is a widely used test in the construction industry to measure the workability of fresh concrete. It measures the consistency and fluidity of the concrete mix, which is important for ensuring that the concrete is of the right quality for its intended use. To perform the slump test, you will need the following equipment: a slump cone, a mold in the shape of a truncated cone, with a base diameter of 200 mm, a top diameter of 100 mm, and a height of 300 mm. A tamping rod, a steel rod that is 16 mm in diameter and 600 mm long. A scoop, to transport the concrete from the mixer to the slump cone. The steps to perform the slump test are as follows. Thoroughly clean the slump cone and wet it with water. Place the cone on a flat, smooth surface and fill it with freshly mixed concrete in 3 layers. Each layer should be compacted with 25 tamping blows from the steel rod, distributing them uniformly over the surface of each layer. After filling the cone, strike off the excess concrete from the top with the tamping rod. Lift the cone vertically upward, carefully and smoothly, without twisting it, and allow the concrete to flow freely and settle. The concrete will slump, or settle, and the height of the concrete after it has settled is measured. The slump is measured to the nearest 5 mm from the original height of the cone. Record the value of the slump, which indicates the workability of the concrete. The acceptable slump value will depend on the intended use of the concrete. For example, a slump value of 25 to 50 mm is typically used for reinforced concrete, while a slump value of 75 to 100 mm may be used for non-reinforced concrete.